Hey, Brian from Garage Hall. Today we have a self-wringing twist mop, yellow in color. So let's open up, see what we get inside, how to put it together, and we'll show an operation. So you get your mop head, your handles. I think that's it. Okay, so you get three sections. So that's a shot of your instructions. So you got your top handle, that's one. And this is two. Three. So it's got that little thingamabob there. Then inside the mop, you got that little end. That's going to go like that. So we push that through the handle. Snaps in like that. And then this last piece goes in here. And then, so do this. And now I'll wring it out. Then slide it down. And then back into your mop. Okay, so let's try it out. Okay, let's put it down into the water. Just let it soak up a little bit. And pull this handle up. And then just untwist it. Make sure I got the handle nice and tight. And then there you go. And then when you're ready, again, I love the fact you don't have to have a big mop bucket and wringer, and you don't have to use your hands. Nice, quick, easy twists. Slide that down. And you're good to start mopping again. Anyway, Brian from Garage Hall. Thanks for watching, and be safe out there.